Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to save as PDF in Affinity Designer. This is a crucial skill for sharing your designs professionally or preparing files for print, so let's get started. First, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens, you'll need to have a file ready to export. You can either open your existing file or create a new one. Now that your file is open, look to the upper left panel of your screen, click on File, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Export. This action opens up the Export Settings window where you can choose how you want to save your work. In the Export window, you'll notice a left sidebar with various format options. Click on PDF from this sidebar. This tells Affinity Designer that you want to export your project as a PDF file rather than any other format. Next, you'll see different PDF preset options appear. Select PDF for print, or if you have specific requirements, you can choose your preferred option from the list. These presets are designed to optimize your file for different purposes, whether it's for professional printing or digital sharing. Now navigate to the Area section. Click the drop-down menu beside it, and from the options that appear, select Whole Document. This ensures that your entire project gets exported rather than just a single artboard or selection. Once you've configured these settings, click the Export button. This will prompt a file browser window to open up on your screen. In this file browser, select the file or folder where you want to save your PDF. Take a moment to navigate to the right location on your computer so you can easily find the file later. If you'd like to rename the file, now is the time to do it. Simply click on the File Name field and type in your desired name. This helps keep your files organized and easily identifiable. Finally, click Save to complete the process. Your file will now be exported as a PDF and saved to the location you specified. And that's it. You've successfully saved your Affinity Designer project as a PDF file. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.